Hello, this is Ruth from Season, and today we're going to show you how to cook a thick cut of steak on a griddle pan with nice grill marks. And we're going to show you how to use the Season eye probe to check the temperature of the steak until you cook it to your own preference. So this steak has been in room temperature for at least 30 minutes. This is very crucial because if it's cold inside, it won't cook evenly. So we're just going to pat dry both sides, and just before you cook it, add salt on the surface. We're going to do it quite generously. And don't forget the other side. Here we have a preheated seasoned griddle pan, and we're just going to add a tiny bit of vegetable oil and then rub it. The seasoned silicone pastry brush is perfect for this job. Just make sure you coat all the grooves. So the first step is you see this white cap, it's all the fat. We're going to render it down. Just place it straight. So after around 3 minutes, you should see the cap, it's now golden. So you want to place it diagonally across the grill, so you'll get like a crisscross when it flips. So place it diagonally. Keep it medium-high heat the whole time, and you want to press it with a burger press. So now it's been cooked for 1 minute. Now you see one grill mark. You flip it this way. Cook for another 1 minute. Same as the other side, press it with the seasoned burger press. And then flip it. And I'm just going to add a rosemary. Just butter. Fill the pan. And then just baste it. So now it's cooked for 2 minutes on the other side. Place it on a plate. So probe the seasoned eye probe to the thickest bit, and you want to aim around 51, 52, which is now perfect. So leave it on the plate and immediately wrap it with aluminium foil. Let it rest for at least 2 minutes. I'm using a seasoned steak knife, which is perfect for slicing steaks. See how perfect the line is. I don't even need force when I slice it through. Got nice color on the outside with perfect grill marks, and then pink in the middle.